Welcome to Tiger Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about computer science circles, University of Waterloo's, I believe it's section 7A, the very last problem, the name game. So the whole deal with this is basically a culmination of all these other sections for their tutorials. It's just basically a finale, sort of. So it's just basically a bunch of concatenating and using the substring functions, and that's pretty much it. And input. You have to understand input. So let's get started on the tutorial. So the first item that we need is the actual input that the user is going to input. So do name input, print, and this is Java. This is Python version 3, and Python version 2.7. I'm always used to not using those parentheses, but that is required in this one. So if we look at this, your program should take the person's name, blah blah blah, and Pearl, Bo, Burl. So we need to print out the name twice, and we need to concatenate a comma, space. Remember, these are strings, so they require quotations around them. And we have another string there. Next is, we have to concatenate that on there, like so. Bow. Now, we want to leave that B there because we are going to get just substring. We're going to substring in 1 and then the length of the rest of the string. So using those substring methods, we do name and then we put 1 in. So we went index 1. This is index 0. That's index 1. Colon, length of the word. We want it to be dynamic, so it doesn't just work with Perl. We put the length there, and we close up the print statement. I believe you can do this in all one print statement and use new line characters like so, but it just gets messy. So I'm going to put the next statement on another print line. This next one is supposed to be banana, fana, fo, furl, or dynamic to what the user entered. So the first part's very easy. Banana, fana, fo, and then we get to concatenate the rest of this item on here. Name, 1, length, name. Sorry, this is a 1 instead of an A. So it follows the exact same guidelines to the other one. Matter of fact, it could be possible just to make this its own separate variable, maybe name -1 or something, or not. Just, you can't put numbers, you can't put minus signs and numbers in the variables, but you can name it something and just use that, so you only have to do the arithmetic once. Alright, so the next item is the phi, mo, and then looks like merle. So then once again we do the exact same string functions. And we are towards the end here. Print name, and we have to put that little apostrophe on the end there. Alright, so we get to hit run program, and it worked. So it worked with Jimmy, Pauline, Aaron, Sarah, and notice also that we need to use that dynamic length on the end because Perl has 5 characters in it, and Jimmy has 5 as well, but when you go down to Pauline and Aaron, well, Aaron has 5 as well, but when you go to Sarah, it has 4 characters long, and Pauline is, I'm not sure how many characters long, 7 characters long. It's a dynamic length. You're gonna have to use that length method. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. Please visit Tiger Tutorials, and thank you very much.